Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today we're looking at some cumulative frequency curves and how to read them and glean some information from them. Okay, so in this example, we got the weights of sumo wrestlers, and we've got the cumulative frequency on the y-axis here, and then we've got the weights right here. So we are going to get the median first. Okay, the median is the value such that 50% of sumo wrestler weights are greater than that and 50% are less. There's 200 sumo wrestlers, so the median is straight across from 100. So you go across from 100, you read down. It's sometimes hard to read these scales, but try to estimate as much as possible, as closely as possible. So I guess 147 or 148. This is 150 right here. I'm going to guess 147. Or estimate 147. So I would say about 147 kilograms. 50% of sumo wrestlers are greater than that, 50% less. The lower quartile, also called Q1, is the lower 25% of the data. So 25% of 200 is 50. So we go across from 50 to get Q1, and we have a dot marked right there. It's 140. So Q1 is 140. And Q3, the upper quartile, is where 25% of sumo wrestler weights are greater than that, 75% is less. That's at 150. So we go across from 150, and then we go down, and we're at about 155 or 154, I'm not sure. Let's say 155 kilograms. Okay, so only 25% of sumo wrestlers are greater than this. Another question they could ask you is the IQR, the interquartile range, and that is simply Q3 minus Q1. So that's 155 minus 140 is 15 kilograms. If you were thinking about the box plot, that means in the box plot, this distance here would be 15 kilograms. So sometimes they do relate box plots to the cumulative frequency curve. Anyway, the IQR is simply Q3 minus Q1. Next, percentiles. So the 95th percentile is the point at which 95% of sumo wrestler weights are below that. Okay? So you can call the lower quartile the 25th percentile and the upper quartile the 75th percentile. Anyway, we're looking for the 95th percentile. So the first thing that you do is 95% of 200. So you can do 0.95 times 200, and that's going to give you 190. So we go across from 190. 190 is about there, and I guess we're going to hit this dot, which is exactly at 170. So the 95th percentile is 170 kilograms, meaning 95% of sumo wrestlers are below 170 kilograms.